Spinach. Yeah. Okay.
I
Okay.
want to put more with tomatoes and
Yeah. Okay. Ya mi pili ka rayon am pala la ka kanya house. So kinale is a fertilizer. Yeah. You apply it every 10 days. Yeah, Thomas. Every 10 days. 1 into 5. So how about the whole measure? It's a cookile one.
Yeah.
Water, water, 5 cups of water.
Yes, sir.
So 1 into 5.
Yes, sir.
And then every 10 days
Yes, sir.
you apply it.
Okay.
But the instructions are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, and I think what I want to hold it will potassium.
Next time they might do much better.
That's good.
I'll keep communicating with my family.
No problem. Yeah.
One hour in General Pilinti Jam.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sweet.